My loves, welcome back. So this is going to be different today. I'm sat on my bed and I'm just coming from the gym. I had a really nice workout and something just dawned on me. I have a palette that I've been meaning to share with you guys, but I really didn't want to get dressed up and put any makeup on or anything like that. So I thought I'd just sit like, you know, this in my own space and just tell you a bit about the makeup palette and possibly do a swatch. So I'll be doing that. So how are you guys doing? How is the holiday preparation coming on? Are you guys shopping as yet? Are you the type of person to shop online or shop early? What are your plans for the holiday season? Now for me, I shop a lot online because I'm a lazy ass and I do not want to go out there, you know, in the crowd and be queuing up and all that. So I like to shop online, and I've actually started doing my shopping. So hopefully I will get it done before Christmas arrives. So I'm really excited about that. I'm in Antigua at the moment, but I'll be going back to the UK for Christmas. So hopefully that's going to be fabulous because I love the cold. I love the Christmas tree. I love everything that's festive about Christmas. So it's nice to be going back to the UK for Christmas, even though it's quite nice in Antigua as well. But it's, you know, it's a different kind of vibe. So it's nice to go back to, you know, to the cold and possibly see some snow. So basically I'm really excited about that. But anyways, guys, I want to go ahead and tell you about this palette, and I'm going to do a swatch as well, so make sure that you stay tuned for that. So my lovelies, this is what the front of the palette looks like. It's a nice cardboard packaging and it's quite a large palette. It has all the lovely rainbow colors on the front, and it says Be Perfect Carnival Extra Large Pro Palette by the makeup artist STACEY Marie. Now when you open it, guys, it has, I promise you it's not hard to open. So when you open it, it has a big mirror, which is always a plus. At the top it says Be Perfect Cosmetics, and they have other palettes, of course, but this is the one I went for because it was huge and had all the shades that I like to play with. So when you look at the palette, you guys, you've got all the bowls, you've got some warm to cool shades on the right, and then down the side there it has 3 highlighter shades, which is perfect for every skin tone. So as you can see, I'm pointing out all the vibrant shades. And it has a nice red there. It has a nice shimmer red, which is perfect for Christmas. Overall, guys, it's a nice, fun palette filled with lots of bold, vibrant colors. And of course, on the right, as I said, there are some neutral colors that you can play around with if you are that type of person. But as for me, I love this palette because it has all the colors I could possibly need in a palette. And from the look of it, it's fabulous. It swatches nicely as well. Look at that gold. It's absolutely beautiful, that yellow gold. Look at that blue. Amazing pigmentation, you guys. And look at this green as well. So beautiful. And that sort of dark green. Oh, look at that, you guys. And I'm going to swatch the red as well. It's perfect. Alright guys, so let me go ahead and swatch this beautiful palette so you can see how gorgeous they are. So let's go. Alright, so the first row, this yellow color right here is called Keen. This one is called Boy Bye. This one is called Wasted. This one is called Reckless. This one is called Mood, which is a really vibrant royal blue. This one is called Make Waves, which is a gorgeous turquoise shade. This one is called Slow Burn. And this one is called Pillow Talk, which I think was a little bit patchy. So this is the first row, you guys. Absolutely beautifully pigmented shades. Can you guys see that? So from here we have, this is such a beautiful gold. So that's Fortune, Pink Me. This is like a holographic duotone shade. The blue here is called Back Chat. This one is called Persuasion, which I wasn't that keen on. It didn't swatch very well on my arm and I had to build it up. But once you build it up, you get that perfect berry shade. This one right here is called Peppermint. This one is called Soft Spot, which crumbled a little bit when I swatched it on my finger. It crumbled just a little bit, but it's a beautiful shade. This one right here is called Splendor. This one right here is called Fade. So this is from the second row, you guys. The shimmers are to die for. They're absolutely smashing. So yes, this is the second row. So this is the third row. So you have Lit, which is a beautiful orange shade. You have In Lost. You have Funky. You have Makeup, which you have to build up on. You have Why Though. You have Cargo, which is absolutely gorgeous. You have Basic and Inspire. So this is the third row, you guys. Oh my goodness, I love this palette. Look at the shades. Beautiful. My swatches are a little bit inconsistent, but never mind. So this shade right here is called Shuffle. I wasn't very keen on that. You have to build it up. It's like a mustard shade, but it does need building. This one is called Foolish, which is a very unusual color. It was a bit crumbly at first. This one is called Orchid. This purple one right here is Orchid. Then this one is called Temptation. That green right there, that neon green, is called The Hype. Beautiful. This one right here is called Showboat. This one is a lovely brown. That's called Haul. And this grayish, sort of grayish brown, is called Vex. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4th row. So this is the 4th and final row. So what we have here is Inferno. Then we have Valentine, Pep Talk, Influence, Ecstasy, Nuke, Intuition, and Lights Out. And that's a really nice black. So that's the 4th row. Ooh, look at the shades, you guys. I am so feeling these shades as well. They're, as I said, their shimmers are absolutely smashing. I really like the shimmers. They're soft. And I'm sure when you place those on your lids, they'll be easy to blend out. These are the 3 highlighter shades. And oh my goodness. They are so beautiful, honestly. I kid you not. So the first one here is called Fair Play, Gold Looks, and Over It. So these are the 3 highlighter shades. They're so beautiful. They kind of give you, this one here kind of gives you that kind of yellowy, light golden shade. I don't know how to explain it, but it kind of gives you a different, depending on the lighting, it gives you a different shade. And they're so beautiful, you guys. The highlighter shades are so beautiful. I really, really love these. So my lovelies, that's the end of the swatches and the video. I do hope you found it helpful. I do hope you like this palette and you're inspired to get it for yourself or for a friend or a relative. I really love this palette and I would recommend it to you if you're on the market for a palette like this. Mind you, some of the matte shades, as I said, were a little bit patchy, but it's like 2 of them or so. But overall, gorgeous palette. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. So bye guys, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Mwah.